the minutes you can go up to 999 minutes. When you go to the next parameter, it just comes out to the main menu. So it is too easy to set the parameter. Only it shows the current and it always giving the options to set the time. For my next option is to do the manual, which is called auto or a manual settings. So this is the condition where manual is blinking. Okay, and when I'll go to the manual mode, I can go to the auto also. So this is the way I can change the auto and manual both, and I can set by pressing a enter key. This is the way you can have two operations. One, it is in a manual mode, you can do a start stop from a front key. When it is in auto mode, there are too many options have been given. One option, at whenever the power on comes, it will start automatically up to the time defined into the time settings. The second option is it can be on the pressure of the things, where it can come with the pressure high low, which is been defined here. So there is a setting of the pressure low and high inputs as a digital inputs. So you have to have a constant pressure flow. This will give a chance to flow for a 15 seconds. If it is flows below 15 seconds, the pump gets off. The next setting is for the top tank and the bottom tank. Both the levels are being set, so that low and the high setting, and here also the top also low and the high settings. So this is the way you can transfer your low tank to the high tank very easily. In some of the cases you don't need the low tank, you have the only high tank or the output flow. So we have another setting where you are only does not have the low tank. Maybe it is coming from a well and filling the tank, so it is only looking for a high tank. This is the one more setting. There is a one more setting which does not require anything. It is just a transfers of the water, and this is quite easy, or for the usable for the farmers, where just he has to start stop, maybe in auto or a manual mode. So this is the way the pump operation starts. There are options, the next, which is called now power. So power is blinking. Now I am setting a power. So it is setting, it is showing the kVA. So this way it stores last 20 alarms, and you can always see that when the repetitive alarms comes, so you can take care about those alarms in the condition of voltage or a current. If it is tripping all the time with the overload, that means you have to find out that there is something wrong with the your motor or in connectivity, where it is taking the higher current. Maybe in the submersible case, there may be a choking in the pipe itself can cause this kind of problem. There is a one more setting, that is the fifth one, where it is called hour. By clicking on this, I can see number of hours run by a pump till today. This is a non-resetable counter, as well as the last it has run. So it is 99995 times 9.9 hours you can set, you can see. This is a big amount of the life you can watch on the pump. At some point you can see, if you would like to do a maintenance of the pump also, this counter can be used. The last setting, when you are doing with the big buildings or a premises of industrialists, where you can set on communication this product. So this is going to communicate to the third party on PC for a SCADA visualizations, and here Modbus address will be defined. You can change the Modbus address, and you can change to see that you can set something. You can set the baud rate, you can go to 9600 or 19200, and you can set. This is the way it is going to get connected to PC, and it shows that all the parameters of pump is transferred to the PC, or some of the commands can be received from a PC to the pump controller for the operation. When we are giving the whole panel, we try to give a MCB also for a incomer protections, as well as depends upon a star or delta, we try to use the best product in the market for the contactors. I hope you understood the well about the product. Let's hope. If you have any query, please ask us. Thank you.